On-air personality and comedian Chinedu Ani Emmanuel, also known as Nedu, has advised single Nigerians that marriage still works, stating that they shouldn't be discouraged about the growing number of failed marriages. He emphasized that most successful marriages are not heard of because everyone is keeping it away from the media. Popular Nigerian crossdresser Idris Okoye, also known as Bobrisky, has revealed that he gets mood swings during his monthly period. The self-acclaimed Barbie disclosed on an Instagram post that his period came early than expected, which greatly affected his mood. Big Brother Naija star Tope Adenibuyan, popularly known as Teddy A, has revealed that he proposed to his wife, fellow Big Brother Naija star Bambam, while they were at loggerheads. Teddy A stating that they were both having a fight, which had lasted for about 2 weeks before he got down on one knee. Do men also experience monthly period?